Good morning, Year 1. Today is Monday, the 18th of January, 2021, so 2021. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you're ready for this week's home learning. So I'll just read through the questions, then we'll go through them, go through the word of the day, go through the timetable, go through phonics groups. So there's lots to get through. But to start with, make sure you've got your piece of paper ready and you can get started with these questions. So your subtraction question here, I would start with all of the shapes. So I'll start the number sentence for you. 12 minus something. Okay, then I want you to count on from 18. Okay, then do your addition over here. You can use the flowers. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we've got 1, 2, 3. So could you write an addition number sentence for that? Okay, and then we have our whole part model here. There are 4 red cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 blue cards, 1, 2. Can you complete this model, okay, to represent these pictures? Okay, and then finally your reasoning question. I'm going to count to 10. I'm going to count on from 10, sorry. Count on, not to, on. So that means we're going to start at 10. So then the gentleman asks, will I say 9? So you're going to start on 10 and count forward. So 10, 11, 12, carry on counting to 20 and see if you say the number 9. So press pause now and have a go at the questions. Okie dokie, right. So here we have our subtraction question. We've got 12. Then I have decided I am going to take away or minus the circle. So I've got 1. Let's just count them to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 12 minus 5 equals, let's count the triangles just to double check. I think it's 7, but I need to check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, well done if you managed to do that one. Okay, then we're going to count on from 18. So it's important that we started at 18, not starting all the way from number 1. So let's have a go. 18, 19, 20. Okay, well done if you managed to go a bit further. That was perfect. So our problem solving, there are 4 red cars and 2 blue cars. So we know that this is 2 parts. So they go onto the bottom here because they're attached to the whole number. So I've got 2 blue, like we said, and then 4 red. And then the whole number is all of those together. So 2 plus 4 makes 6. Now you can double check that by counting them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we've got our addition. So I'm going to start with the 3 daisies. So 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we can use our maths that we did last week and we can count on. So I know there's 3 here. So I'm going to count on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's see. Good job. So was that the most efficient way of counting on? No, because it wasn't the bigger number. So we should start on the bigger number to make sure it is the most efficient. So let's double check. So let's start with this side now. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and then we count on 6, 7, 8. Plus 3 makes 8. So well done if you managed to do that. Okay, the final question is our reasoning. It says, I'm going to count on from 10. So count on from 10. So starting at 10, let's count to 20 together. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did I say that word? Did I say that? No, I didn't, because 9 is 1 less than 10. So well done if you managed to do that. So good job on your morning fluency. Today's tricky word is struggle. Could you try to put that into a sentence? And here is your week, okay, in a timetable. Now remember to try and do the video and only a little bit extra for English and maths. Don't spend all day doing English and all day doing maths. Okay, try and manage your time wisely so you're not doing loads and loads of work throughout the day. Remember, we finish school at 3:15 normally. Okay, so that's kind of a gauge of how many hours you should be spending. You'd have your morning fluency that you've just done with myself. Then your phonics will share what each phonics group should be doing this week. Then your English with Mr. K, then a whole school assembly, maths, reading skills, and then we have music this week. Now you can do reading skills in the afternoon if you would like to, especially when we've only got 1 PM lesson. That might help you with the workload because there's a lot to get through in the morning. Okay, so here is a breakdown of the timetable. I've just highlighted here that on Wednesday you will do the lesson with myself, lesson with myself, and this week we're going to be doing some ball skills. Okay, so if you've got any type of ball, okay, you've got some time to prepare and find the ball in your house ready for Wednesday. You can use any size. You could use a football, a tennis ball, a ping pong ball, a toy ball, a cat toy ball, anything you like, because we'll just be exploring different things with a ball, okay, and doing our ball skills. Then on Thursday, your PE lesson will involve the weekly challenge that is announced on Monday morning. You can do this throughout the week, but we have programmed it in, timetabled it in, so you can do it on a Thursday afternoon. Okay, so this week I think you're going to be doing some planks, and you can have a go at that in that time. But remember, with this challenge, you can do it every day of the week. So if you go for a walk at lunchtime, that counts towards your points. Okay, and then you can send your total into the PE email. Fantastic. Right, now let's go on to your phonics group. Your phonics groups are here. You've got Mr. K's group, and his is phase 3, and these are the sounds that you're doing. And then with myself, here are my sounds, our sounds, sorry. And then Miss Gembry's sounds. If you're feeling confident, you can move on to the next one, or if you're feeling less confident, go back and do them again. Have a go at looking at the sounds in different apps and different games. There's lots out there that you can do, but really try and focus on your phonics. So I'll put the timetable back up so you can maybe print screen the video so you've got a copy of it. And I hope you all have a lovely week, and I will see you very soon.